We will guide you through how to hide your active status on Instagram. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. And let's get into this. Firstly, you need to go to your Instagram profile page. To do that, you go to the bottom right and click on your profile icon. Then what you need to do is go to your top right of your profile and click on those three bars like this. And you then need to click on settings and privacy. And then what you need to do is scroll down until you see this section called how others can interact with you. And you need to click on the setting messages and story replies. So tap there, and then what you need to do is locate the next section called who can see that you are online, and then click on show activity status. And as you can see, it says allow account to follow and anyone you message to see when you are last active or currently active on Instagram app. So if this is turned on, what you want to do is turn this off, and you can then go hide your activity status as you may not want people to know that you are online. If you guys found this guide useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.